Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. It is. Oh my God. Is it? January 3rd. Guys, we are literally making progress and things have retraced and people are upset. I understand it and it's not always bullish, but it's okay. But before we start talking about crypto, I got to say, it's hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. We keep searching. I tell you, I'm searching all over YouTube. So I jump on Twitter. I tell them, I'm sorry, X. I let them know, but it is hard. So please interact with the video. Hit that subscribe. We're trying to grow the Goon Gang. It'll help us out. And we'll get right into it with the market. Things have progressed today, as I was saying. Boom, boom, pow. Here we go. All right. So yesterday 1.77, 1.8, we were almost there. We have retraced 1.64 trillion, a 5% decrease over the day. A lot of speculation on why this could be. Yesterday we talked about the inverse Kramer, and what's interesting is Watcher Guru did come out this morning and said a day after Jim Cramer goes positive on Bitcoin falls 5%. And I was like, wow, dude, imagine the entire world knows that anything you say in a positive note, they're going to do the opposite. And you're still out there. You're still out there. You think, you know, it makes me wonder, is Jim Cramer out there and he knows there's an inverse Cramer investment group that is profiting on everything he shills or doesn't shill? How would they feel? So yeah, very, very interesting. We did see that retracement today hit us pretty hard, still in the greed area. And keep in mind, this is after days and months of us being fear, right? So we love to see it, continuing to hope for that positive segment. And you know, BTC price did retrace 42, I think 100 when I was like woke up, but now 42.7. So I'll take it. I'm pretty happy with where it's at. Moving on with the crypto. Is Solly listed on? Wait, Coochie boy, what's going on? William, let's go. Let's go, William. How you doing, buddy? Nice to see ya. Nice to see ya indeed. Let's go, sir. Balotica. Is Solly listed on CoinMarketCap? What's Solly, dude? I don't know about Solly. Tell us about Solly. Inform us. Inform the goons. So, you know, pretty much according to the market, we did see retracement on BTC 5.4. But when you look on the Ethereum side, it did take a little bit more of a dip. We kind of also predicted that. We saw the 0.618 level was briefly touched. And we said, hey, if it doesn't stay above this level, we may see some retracement down. We are seeing that consolidation down. It's not quite over yet. We're going to have to monitor how it goes as crypto isn't crashing yet. It's just starting to run out of fuel. Yes. Oh, hey, Teddy Coochie boy. Steve, the Canadian. Nice to see you. Thanks for having us. Thanks for being here, buddy. Thank you. So we are seeing red across the board. And you know, when it comes to me, I'm looking at that dominance. And guess what? That dominance for BTC and ETH pretty much the same as it was yesterday. But what is interesting is we are seeing that dominant shift for BNB and Solana, right? There was a point where Solana overtook BNB, and then Solana had a significant crash today, which people are like, hey, Teddy, why is this happening? We talked about this yesterday too, and it's solidifying itself. So we are going to get into that a little bit more. And then we are going to talk about XRP as well, because there's a lot going on with XRP. And now that we could potentially consolidation route, or is it going to make more downtrends? So we are going to move potential fib retracement levels and monitor what's happening there. Hi, Trizzy, what's going on, man? Oh, hey, William Bolo. Solly is going to be the hottest meme coin on Solana, friend. Solly the Dragon on Solana. All right, let's go. Solly is listed on CMC, and I didn't see that. Saw that or not yet? Solly, bro, is it? Solly. SOLOY. Let me see. I do not think it is. I see no Solly on here. See no Solly on here, but I do see Solly has 6K in liquidity on Solana network. Solly, Teddy, what's up? Up here he is. I'm the best. This is it. Yeah, it has 6K in LP, 18K in volume. And in Solana, there's no taxes. So it's had a good pump. It's retraced and it's going sideways. It is almost under launch price right now, but it is technically above launch price right now. So keep an eye on it. Definitely interesting. CMC not listed yet on CMC. Okay, sorry. So we'll keep going then. So yes, trending SEI, and it was just yesterday. Red Sox and I were talking about SEI. SEI is just making moves, guys. The stuff that they have done, and are pushing potential SEI V2 narrative and all these updates that they're saying are coming. And I think they even said AMA or something relatively soon. Unless they may happen and I missed it, but it just keeps on going up. So we love to see it. 78 cents. We were talking about it right around 18. It's like we never fathomed this could happen, and we are living that dream. So this is still fairly decent. To me, altcoin, because it's not Bitcoin or Ethereum, but not everyone's gonna agree there. It's a blue chip, Teddy. It's a blue chip. How dare you? Uh, but I'm still gonna give credit where credit is due. And SEI has been doing well. Bank continues to retrace. We've been seeing that. Even the other one I've seen was retracing Grok. We were looking at Grok retracing. I do have an article I want to talk about Gala as a GameFi token because it is getting to that point where we may get that opportunity again. And there's been a lot of retracement over the past few hours, so this could be an inward time to look in. Thank you for looking forward to hearing more about your TA. Okay, bro, I appreciate it. That Sully will moon high community is crazy. There's just a matter of time, 50 to 100x, dude. That is crazy. That is crazy. I believe it. I believe it. Um, Let me see. So Arbitrum, we have already seen. We're gonna move on to futures. Guys, things are happening in the futures market because people, for the first time, are going positive and bullish, both on the BTC side and the Ethereum side. And really, the Ethereum side is like almost getting to that 80%, 73% right now. But even across the board, I'm seeing such a positive sentiment in today's I feel like, is this the opportunity to catch the bottom before takeoff? Like that's literally what it feels like. One spot ETF approval and that's it. Everything takes off. Massive industry money coming in to the crypto space. That's what they tell us, buddies. That's what they tell us. So we are waiting. Hey, Tim. By the way, Tim did jump on the Telegram and confirm that he is OG Goon. I did see it. I validated that what he said is accurate. So I appreciate that. Tim, you're representing the goons across the board. Across the board. You got a big weight to carry on your shoulders. Gotta come in triple G's. So yes, very, very interesting market. Definitely a lot of changes from what we're used to. And we're gonna keep an eye on it. But I also want to talk about thing. Some people hit me with the IRS. IRS wants to know if only when you do transactions over 10,000 and above. So, we've seen this before with the 10,000 limit. So, it's going to be an interesting thing. Is everyone just going to go 99999 and stay above the 10K limit, or what's going to happen is what I wonder. But very, very interesting reasoning potential of the pullback. For me, it's damn it, Kramer. No, I'm just kidding. And then for Solana, we're going to talk about it during the news segment, which is now. So yesterday, we talked about Solana and what is happening over on Solana. Seems like when there is a crash out of blue, skyrocket. Exactly, Miss Lauren. You know that bugger just went out. He dipped out. Is it time to come back? Nice to see you. Nice to see you, Miss Lauren. How are you doing? How's work? Tell us everything. Tim Shea is the crypto commissioner. I totally agree with that statement. I totally agree with that statement. Also, check Rocky. It is on CMC and good chance for entry now. Okay, wait, is Rocky also Solana? Are you guys like Solana maxis, Trizy and Bolotica? Wait, and also, I'm the best. When did you turn into a Solana maxi? Oh man, but I agree with Miss Lauren. I agree with Miss Lauren. I agree. I agree. It truly does. But I do want to talk about, hey, Gold Magic Carp, what's going on? I love the profile picture. I can't wait till you see the new ones, man. It is a work in progress. We are building and we are doing it right. I don't want anyone to get screwed this time, so I want to make sure everything is in hand when the third collection gets airdropped to all the people that are holding the first collections, either the collection 1 or 2, either or. So it's going to be quite interesting. So as I was saying yesterday, we talked about it, Solana, and we talked about the drainer attacks. Oh, Teddy, what's a drainer attack? I didn't catch yesterday's stream. Guys, there is something happening on Solana where these devs are getting creative. So keep in mind, in Solana, there's no taxes. All the tokens that you invest in is 0% taxes. So the devs have to either pull LP or sell massive amounts of the token in order to take money out of you. That's what everyone assumes is the normal way to get rugged. But there's another thing that's happening across all blockchains, and Solana is a newer blockchain, so we're not so used to it. But sometimes you get the request to sign on a wallet, right? They'll go, hey, um, you need to press sign in order to approve a transaction. You come in and you're like, oh yeah, I'm trying to swap something or I'm trying to do something, and I should press sign. So you mindlessly press sign thinking you're going to get the exchange. Well, guess what? In that time that you assumed you're doing that transaction, the attacker has now taken your Solana, has taken everything out of your wallet, all because you press sign on that transaction. So you really need to understand what you're signing. Make sure the transaction you're doing is what you're thinking of doing. If you randomly get, and this is what's happening, they visit a thing and they randomly get a sign, or they press connect wallet and it says sign, like that's the first thing it says. OpenSea does this in their mind. They go, oh yeah, OpenSea kind of does this, so I should be okay. And then they go to a malicious app which has, guys, like, 3 people holding it, and they go, oh well, I connected to the site and all my Solana's gone. So that has been growing like anything. And we talked about yesterday how there was a large attack that was happening. Well, they're saying because of these drainer attacks continuing to surge and more Solana users getting affected, they are seeing that price decrease. So they are saying that. Always got to send my boy a super chat. Solely soul, baby. So Solana community in the building. Love to see it. Cody Core. What is happening? I love it. I love it. Cody Core, triple G's. Triple G's indeed. Wait, just got my DNA results back. I'm 100% Trump supporter. I love it. Cody Core representing his political views in the in the profile picture. We try to keep the political ness unbiased, but if Biden sells NFTs, I'm gonna buy the Biden NFTs too. That's all I can say. And if Trump, I still hold the Trump NFTs. Yeah, Rocky is on Solana as well, but it's much bigger coin that random meme, like most, and it lasts 3 days going straight up like crazy. Interesting. I can't wait to see the third too. Yes, the third is amazing. So that will be the one. But I am the best. I appreciate it, buddy. We will take another look at Solana. Even during Goon time, we'll look at Solly on Solana Network as well. And we'll take a look at Rocky, which is on Solana Network. So do look out for Goon time when we get to look that out. Is there a defense yet against bad signing? Currently, there is not. They are so sophisticated that these projects look like real interfaces, like real utilities you would use, and then boom, these devs are smart enough that they're able to uh, get you to sign it. And because their blockchain is very quick, right? It's like boom, it's instantly gone. There's no uh hurt to the attacker. And even in Ethereum, there's no hurt to the attacker, but it just hurts you more just knowing it's like, wait, a second didn't even happen and I lost all my stuff. What the hell? It's sad. It's sad. Um, but yeah, very, very interesting things going on Solana and the drainer attacks. But when the hackers, when the exploiters are targeting a blockchain as big as Solana, then probably something's going on there. And we did have that opportunity. We continue to have that opportunity. Solana under $100. We know where in a bull run it's hit triple digits. Then if you're in it for the long run, this feels pretty easy to consider. So I do want to also talk about XRP, and the main reason is we saw Solana overtake XRP's market cap. We saw Solana take over BNB's market cap, and XRP continued to linger and suffer. We needed XRP to get to 68 cents, and yet there is a lot of rumors. We talked about Linda P. Jones in the past before, but Linda P. Jones coming back with some news and facts, right? So anytime Linda, very optimistic pro Ripple investor here, and I guess she's pretty well invested in here, but she gives praise to the team yet again, right? Brad, Chris, David. She's like, this is the all-star team. There's, no one else you can really consider in crypto that has got this much leverage as XRP. And, the main thing for XRP being they have that XRP ledger that is supposed to give companies that utility and really banks as well, right? With that XRP ledger giving the ability to do quick transactions. So she's making sure when those doors open, we're all keeping our eyes open on XRP, knowing that it has the most leverage for a real world utility. Now, why I say this is because Linda has hit on a potential IPO coming in for XRP, which I would think if it goes IPO, that's only good thing for the XRP coin, especially after winning the case against the SEC. So I'm quite interested in finding that XRP entry point. I am thinking if I'm in it for the long run, we know XRP past $1, even $2. Um, 57 cents. Are you kidding me? This is nothing. This is nothing. Oh, Clean Smoke, what is going on? Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. Talking Solana, talking XRP. We are talking all things crypto and really educating ourselves on what's going on. And where prices are going. So how you been? What is your what do they call it? Your resolution. What is your New Year's resolution? Fill me in. Fill me in. Teddy, I'm gonna be only dabbing and no more vaping. This is my I want to know. I want to know. So I do want to talk about Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is selling 216 million of MicroStrategy shares, and he wants to buy BTC. So he does hold 17,732 BTC. And then the firm has reported they hold 189,150 Bitcoins as of December 2023. Guys, this is crazy amounts of money. We're not only looking at Michael Saylor doing this for MicroStrategy, right? We've even have countries investing in Bitcoin. These are all the right things, the right steps forward. If he's doing a buy of this stature at this time, you go, okay, there's definitely something going on with the potential investment opportunity you're looking at right now before takeoff, or you're in it for the long term and it really don't matter when. But for Michael Saylor, it is the latter. It really don't matter when for Michael Saylor. He could buy it at the top. He could buy it at the bottom. He holds so much BTC. He doesn't plan to sell anytime soon. Just buying more BTC just to have it. Well, it's going to be so rare in the future. He's going to hold as much as he wants. There are people going to die. People are going to have lost wallets. People are going to get hacked. Things are going to happen to that Bitcoin. He is banking on continuing to leverage it. As the scarcity goes up, the price goes up. So he is making a smart investment. So if you guys see articles like this, it is not any means of like, is this the right time to buy because this guy's buying? No, it just means he's adding to his already grown position. So very interesting thing to do there. Still up 60% on XRP. My mates were laughing at me the weekend before they won. Yeah, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. Gold Magikarp. And that's how that's how you do it. That's how you show, hey, I'm the one doing the educated decision making in what I invest in. And your mates are just drinking their lives away, and you can drink your lives away a wealthier man. So you definitely doing the right things. So I do want to go to the final article. The final article. Teddy, I want to know what are the altcoins to watch for 2024. This article has laid out 15, and it's really separated them out very well, into the categories because CoinGecko is the one that came out with the narratives, right? So most popular crypto narratives by CoinGecko, we got AI, Gamer5, meme coins, and look at the Solana ecosystem, and then right underneath BRC20. So two emerging areas as well. We're not truly going to talk about them in this article, but we will look at some Solana coins in Goon Time. So the AI tokens they considered are really Render, BitTensor, Fetch AI, Corgi AI. For GameFi tokens, Internet Computer, Immutable X, and the Sandbox, Axie Infinity, Gala. And why I thought this was interesting was Mana is completely missing from this list. So they are not banking on Mana as much as the others, which I thought was interesting. But Gala, I see back on. I'm like, hey, Gala, I'm totally down to. Any crypto games you guys like? There was that crypto game I liked, but I don't know whatever ever happened to the token, the Shiba Adventures game. That was awesome, like with the sheep and the little Shiba Inu. Oh man, that brought back good times. Good times, study. Oh yeah. So the other thing I want to hit on was the meme coins. So recent addition to our meme coin entry, Bonk on the Solana chain as well. So we love to see it. We love to see Floki still up there, Pepe. One that has fallen off now is that Dogelon Mars that did so well with the Elon ticker. And now we've seen that's not as it's not on the list on this article, but still very interesting crypto narratives here. And, we're going to keep an eye on it. How far can it go? How far can it go? Wait, Gold Magikarp, do you have any crypto games that you actually are into? I would like to know. I would like to know. I'm quite interested. Let me see here. The sky's falling, Teddy. What it do? What it do, F Joe? Nice to see you, buddy. How are things? I like that the FJB is gone and F Joe is back. I am a big fan of the F Joe over the FJB. FJB just feels very acronymy and acronymy just feels weird. Just feels weird. All right, let me go over to the chats. Teddy, I need to look at the chats. What's happening? What's happening? I can't figure it out. I need to look. Well, guess what, boys? We're gonna look at the charts together, and we have a crossover, and we have a short signal that did come in. I want to say today, but really yesterday, we got the short come in on AVAX. We talked about it. Hey, what is going on with AVAX, and even the Grok short continued, right? So we saw that dip continuing to go bearish on Grok as well. I'm not seeing anything positive in that ecosystem, even on that Telegram there. And it just makes me feel sorry for that community because they had so much going for them. The other thing I want to talk about, which we hadn't looked at, was the short signal came in for Luna Classic far later than we anticipated. You know, we didn't even see the Andean oscillator crossover. We saw the initial narrowing, but the indicator did not show that short signal till almost an entire week had passed before we saw the short come in. Now we see the short signal come in, and we got to see when that reversal candle will come in after. So how much will we bleed from the short? We've already bled a lot. And we're keeping an eye on Luna Classic to see if it's going to reach that support yet again at 306. Sorry, 406, 406813. 406813 is where Triple G indicator puts that level of support. So that is a long way down, guys. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So I do want to talk about Bitcoin, because we are looking at that 0.618 level we had charted previously. And I told you guys, if we weren't gonna close above it, there is a potential we retrace back down. We did close in the 0.618. We are not quite over the hump. We're not quite getting that bullet sentiment, but we do have Triple G indicator now throwing up a level of resistance at 44,398. Now you look at the fib retracement we've charted, you look at the 1.618, you're at 47,459. So we know 44,398 can be broken. We've seen it broken before a couple times, 2 times. And now you go, okay, so what needs to happen for Bitcoin's price for me to get to 44,398? Well, right now, 0.618, we are under. It needs to bounce off. If it goes any lower, it needs to bounce off the point 0.5, which is at 42,400, right? So 42,400, we are literally at that point that if it goes any lower and it dips below 42,400, we may continue making that downward trend back around that 40K mark, right? So, but if we have that positive sentiment, and 40K mark is really not any issue to us. We've seen the 40K mark how many times, right? So this has been charted multiple times. We've seen great level of support that usually pushes BTC's price back. Some TA guys tried to hit you with the it's a shoulder forming. None of that BS. We're looking right at the chart to know what's happening here. So it is an important outlook. It is important to know, and we're gonna see it all. So good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Shrapnel and Gala are the biggest I'm invested in. Gala just needs to come out with more games, and as soon as they do, hopefully 2024 is the year. I think Gala's ecosystem could take it because they're more of a gamer marketplace, game marketplace. Which indicators do you use to show short and long signal steady? This is our Triple G indicator built by our very own SK. It uses a multiple indicators that we have in our algorithm in order to show us the sentiment that crypto is going for. It is not perfect, but it is very, very accurate. It almost has close to 91% accuracy in its signal rating. So I know it sounds crazy, but hey, when you add, crazy AI to the board and smart indicator analysis, you get and SK's coding, you get some good help from the indicators. So it is not available to the public. Crash on NDRS body. It is not available to the public, but it is completely free. You can come to me anytime. You can ask me to pull up the chart during Goon time. I can show you. If it's on TradingView, I can give you that as well. But currently, the Triple G indicator is only shared by SK. So we are the only ones. Happy New Year. Ganja, what's going on? Anandia Raspati, how's Indonesia? Tell me. Oh my God, SHIB hitting 201 or SHIB hitting 1 penny. I would freaking cry. I would freaking cry. Don't have any Gala NFTs. Was gonna get the shipwreck boxes, but I didn't wake up in time. I didn't even know there were Gala NFTs. That is wild. That is wild. Hi Teddy, what's going on, Mr. T? How are things from X? Mr. T's on X. Nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you. Legend. Yes, he definitely is a legend. SK is great. You will see here more often. I very much like TA too, apart from meme coins. Yes, I also do TA on meme coins, but TA on meme coins is a joke because there's no level of establishment. So TradingView does a good job. The indicators do help out. We also have Andean Oscillator. Andean Oscillator, I think, is free. You can get this right now. And on another one we've used in the past is HARSI. We're big fans of HARSI. If you can grab that indicator, let me see, HARSI. I want to say it's this one, the J. Rogers one, you see. And even this one does a great job of telling you when a short um, position comes in the market over bullish sentiment. So big fan of even HARSI if you can keep up with what's happening in the market. And you know, it's not 100% accurate, and really the points that you're looking for is the buying opportunities when the candles are above the trend line here. So in theory, these are supposed to be buying opportunities, which you know, we're having narrow crossovers on the Andean oscillator. You go, oh my God, this is straight consolidation. We got to wait for it to relax out before anything happens. I relax about Shiba reaching a penny due to the poor liquidity market cap ratio. Absolutely. The market cap liquidity ratio with Shiba. And also, Mr. T, one of the things when it comes to Shiba's utility, the utility has not caught up to the price of the token. So we still have some resistance there. I think a lot more needs to happen to eventually where utility driven with their Shiba verse. But Shiba verse is also pretty much centralized. You know, there's a team around it. They have to approve you in order to get in. It just feels very silly and not part of like the blockchain ecosystem. So I'm not a big fan when it comes to Shiba Inu as well. So bro, you're not annoying at all. You're not annoying at all. Can you just remind me the first one? HARSI. HARSI. That's what it's called. HARSI, and do the one that most people get. And what you do is you look at the trend line and you try to figure out, depending on where your candle is, when to buy. And usually people buy when the red candle is above that trend line. HARSI is an interesting one too for people that do leverage trading. Big fan of that. Let me see here. You'll see here more often. I appreciate that. I bought some Sully. Hope that I will not end up under the bridge. I will take a look at Sully. I am not too sure. I haven't followed the Solana ecosystem. I tried like aping into a few Solana projects and I got myself wrecked because there's no certainty in Solana. It is just literal horribleness. Um, Yes, sir. Need to learn more, bro. We have a Telegram that we can add you in. It's for us making informed decisions in crypto. All of us have the same goal. We may basically are putting out like 100% returns daily. Some like Wadi, the crypto hunter, his goal is always making $200 a day, and he does a great job showing his wins as well. We have John Crispala. He's actually quit his job and all he does is leverage trade in order to sustain his crypto um, gains. And, you know, it's a quite interesting area that we are now exploring as goons. And we're going to see. We're going to see what ends up happening. Sorry to be annoying. Oh, yeah, I read this. Wait, what's this? Being able to take profits in Shiba would surely equate to taking a massive hit on price impact. Yes. So if any of the whales of Shiba Inu sell, yeah, you are going to take a massive hit on that LP, and that's the thing. You were speaking about getting drained. I got drained for 155 ETH in 2021. Been trying to recover since, bro. We got drained for 5 ETH. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. 5 ETH across the board when ETH was 4K. So 25K gone. down the 20K gone down the tubes. And all the goons, we've been here ever since trying to make it all back. And we literally have, dude, we have invested in so many things. Our degen goon wallet has literally made most of it back, of the 5 ETH plus more, in just the tokens that we've invested in alone. And then we go look at our NFT space, and we've even made more than 5 ETH back in the NFT space. So we lived and learned from that experience, but I still hold the name Ruggy Teddy. Anything I invested in back then when I was young and dumb, I got rugged in, and it was a learning experience. It definitely gave you, I would get so many viewers, bro. People loved seeing me get rugged. But now I love getting the wins. I love when the goons get the wins. The views don't matter. It's all about getting the wins. It's about securing our family's financial wealth. It's not about me now. It's about me in the future to make sure I have something, just in case. Because I don't know, man. I don't know what this world's going into or what's going to happen. But if hopefully digital currencies is a way that I can support, then I'm going to support, because something happens to this monetary system that we're using the dollar with. I want to make sure I have a secondary as well. And if BRICS comes out with the currency, I'm considering. Um, yeah, that was 155 ETH when it was 4K. Oh yeah, dude, that hurts. That hurts. Yeah, I can imagine. So I do want to talk about ETH as well. ETH, same thing happened, right? So we looked at ETH yesterday. The 0.618 level did not close on ETH yesterday, and we assumed it was going to dump today. So we did see that dump, and it did go below the fib retracement. But look how accurate the fib retracement is, because Triple G indicator also put level of support at 2115, and it goes even below the Triple G indicator, bounces back off. And we're going to try and see where it's going to close. So in reality, we needed to close above 2,291 to remain bullish on Ethereum. But now we're in a situation where Jim Cramer has said a positive thing about BTC. And we have the inverse Cramer group going in, shorting BTC. And Ethereum, same thing, right? Following BTC trend, you're seeing Indian oscillator flip over as well. So I am theorizing it's going to be another quick flip. We may see it go green and then quickly back to red till it figures out its consolidation price. So we've been here before. This is not the first time we've seen this. Sometimes we need those quick flips, consolidations to come in before we see actual true price action going up. So don't be fooled, just be informed. BNB we talked about yesterday. It is above the 1.618. I'll take anything above 1.618. This is my profit taking area. We have charted the next levels of resistance. I am looking at the 400 area at some point for BNB to reach to, and I think it could be relatively quick if the pressure between Solana and BNB's market cap continues. Right now, Solana having some depressure because people are getting rugged and drained, but eventually that will consolidate, and I think this could continue to make an upward trend. Now, what's interesting with Solana is we are seeing a narrowing on the Andean oscillator. It's been a long time since we've seen that narrowing. We're saying months now. So if we do have a crossover, we're going to see where it consolidates, and it'll get interesting. Let me see. So I know I talked about XRP as a potential alt. I'm well below the fib retracement that we had charted. And what's important is it went below our level of support just by a penny. We had level of support 51.51, and it went to 50 cents before it went back up. And right now we're at 57. We're keeping an eye on it because this is pretty much the bottom of our fib retracement. So now bounces back up from this price. We are hoping it gets to that 68. If it does not, now things to consider. We had the flip already before twice, and we tried to get the positive sentiment. It didn't push above 0.618. It didn't close above 0.618. It failed. It retraced. I think it may continue to go down. If it does not close above any of the other levels, this is going to continue to go down. And this is what I'm saying. You got to know your entry point when it comes to XRP. Shiba Inu, we see the triple G indicator, a new level of support at this looks like 506616 and 5076. So haven't seen these charted before. Fib retracement definitely shows no indication of closing above the 0.618 level anytime soon. So we have to hope that this continues breaking levels up. Uh, the main reason why people like meme coins is because they are like casino. You can invest $50 and get 10K overnight from it. When a BTC and ETH and like that, it is more stable. So need funds to earn. Absolutely, tries. Absolutely, I completely agree with this statement. I completely wait. I need to go over to Goon Time. We are having way too much fun, Teddy. We're having way too much fun, Teddy. Tell me what to do. All right, so I promised I was gonna look at the Solana one. So let me go look at Solly one more time here. Solly. Oh man, the LP went down since we looked at it. Oh, what is going on here? Solly is currently not verified. Okay, yeah, we know that. No, I just want to grab the where is the go to Sol detail page? I just want the what am I trying to say? Here, the contract. Phew. We're good, Teddy. We're good. You'll be all right, Teddy. You're gonna be all right. We're gonna be fine, buddy. We just want to look at it on Dex Tools. Dex Tools is where I look at everything. Yeah, so it's gone down 3 days ago. Solly the Dragon 4 hours ago. Wait, did someone try to put this on a different swap or something? Yeah, someone put this on a different swap. Interesting. So 12K market cap, 5K LP. I don't see any RSI on here. Let me change it to the 4 hour. Okay, I see RSI coming in 50. Bollinger Bands are underneath, right? In the Bollinger Band. So if we're looking at the next 4 hours, in theory, it's showing next 4 hours could continue to downtrend. And this is just unbiased review, guys. I'm not trying to take any sides. Don't get upset at me if I'm not supporting your token. I'm just telling you what the indicators technically are saying. But this is for the next 4 hours. So if you're looking at the time frame of 4 hours, you're trading for the next 4 hours. So RSI is pretty much 50. So it's a gamble. It's a true gamble if it comes to Solly, if it's going to take off or not. So you let me know. But 410 people are in, so anything can happen. But it does look like some cells have started, and the people are making money. Seven Solana. So this guy must be because he did 0 buys. This guy was airdropped, and he made $571, bro. Damn. Imagine 31 SPL tokens. He's already made 2. Jupiter drop. Oh my god. Guys loaded, Teddy. The guy's loaded. Yeah, very interesting. Very, very interesting. All right. Let's see. What was the other one you said, buddy? Hallelujah, Teddy. What's going on, Nettie? Nice to see you. Went down because of Mev buy. Oh, was that the Mev buy? Oh, so it actually sold the 7 ETH then? Or the 7 Solana? Doesn't look like it's a Mev buy. This looks like it was airdropped and then sold. I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to read the blockchain, I guess. How is it a Mev buy? Is this the same one? DZRCK? Yeah, I guess I don't know how to read the blockchain because it is right here, Teddy. Yeah, Teddy doesn't know. So DZRCK came in 0.46. Yeah, I do not know how to read the Solana blockchain. I do not understand, I guess, how that is a MEV. But I see it. I see what you guys are saying. I see the sell 1.2. Just don't see the buy. Wait, I can filter. Oh, it's 43 times this guy's done it. Okay, I see it now. Okay, so this guy's sold 43 times, right? So if it was a MEV bot, where's the buy is what I'm asking, right? So these are all the sells. Right? There's a MEV bot will have a buy as well, right? Look at how many times this thing has sold, man. That's a MEV bot. Bot in the TG done 35% MEV. Buys from one, sends to another. Oh, is that what's happening? Is this like generating volume? But then wouldn't the volume be fake if it always buys from one and sells from the other? Then you go with yeah, you will see buy close to sell. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm asking. So then that basically means the volume would be fake then, right? How do people yeah, okay, yeah. So here you go. The volume is fake. So there's literally only one guy. There's only like two or three guys that have bought this then. And there's only like $300 in this if the 9K volume's fake. So these guys are spending massive amounts of money to just fake $300 worth of things. I don't know anything about this team either. They don't even have a website. So I'm just lying at this point. Anything could be view contract. And I don't know anything about Solana nor reading their blockchain. So don't hold anything I say close to heart here, which is why I gave the disclaimer first before Solana and Suka. What the hell, bro? Get the hell out of here. Yeah, so this 18K in volume is definitely fake because we just seen here that the actual amount of volume is just the difference between the sells and the buys. So it's like 300. And then the last 1 hour, it's like $4, $6, 90, $98, $96. Nothing in the last 5 minutes. So we'll see. I have no clue. I don't know anything about the Solana ecosystem. So you guys are the pioneers. You tell me. You tell me. AVAX, oh man, AVAX I've been going into pretty good, pretty good. Yo, how's WIF doing? Did we make it all back? I lost 60% of my money in WIF, man. What the hell? Yo, what is this? Oh, moving average 200. Okay. Do I have moving average 50 yet? Oh, yeah, I do. We gonna get the golden opportunity? Whiff is one I know about. Happy New Year, Teddy. Wrong token. No, I'm looking at Whiff. I'm looking at Whiff. I don't know anything about it. I don't know. No, I've already looked at Sully. I've moved on. I've moved on. I've moved on. Wait, so what's silly? Wait, what the hell is silly now? Silly dragon. Oh man, there's Sully dragon and there's silly dragon. Wait, there was supposed to be one more. Rocky. That was the one. Thank you. Rocky. Let me see. Okay, so this Rocky, Radium, Teddy, Radium. Yeah, no, the last one was a different token, buddy. We moved on. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, so I'm looking at Rocky now, and I see that it's at the top Bollinger Band. So I love top Bollinger Band because top Bollinger Band, especially during a bullish trend, it'll always bounce off that middle band if it retraces and continues chasing the top band till it's done, right? So I've seen that happen a few times. Let me see if we've seen. So right here, chase. We're well above the top Bollinger Band, and we retrace. If it doesn't bounce back off this, you hope it bounces back off the lower band. Never went past the middle band, and it stayed hugging the lower band. Had the opportunity, crossed the middle band, had the breakout, came back down, and then we have another breakout. Unfortunately, I do believe it's going to retrace again. If it doesn't bounce off the middle Bollinger Band, then I feel it's going to retrace down to the which would be what, like 4042 area. Potential. But yet again, not too familiar with Solana. Oh man, this guy's just been DCAing like anything, bro. All right. Yeah, let me just check. Did I miss any of the other ones? Boom, 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 boom. Guys, by the way, I do want to remind you I am putting out content on my second channel, Explore the Weird. Before I leave, make sure you go check out Explore the Weird. I put out a video yesterday. I'll put out one more tomorrow. But this one, scary things in a real life. So do check out the other channel as well. Go over there, give it a subscribe. We're about 170 videos deep, including shorts and videos. So definitely quite engaging content even over there. So guys, I don't see anything else going on here. I am out. I will see you guys again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. And I mostly want to say make smart decisions, don't do anything crazy, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah, yeah. 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 Get informed, get informed, get informed.